Cathie Wood says you need to buy $1,000 of ADA now. Cardano ADA news today. Star stock picker Cathie Wood's ARK Invest filed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to create a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF. Cathie Wood is very bullish on Bitcoin. Today we're going to talk all about why Cathie Wood is only interested in Bitcoin and shows no other interest in crypto, and doesn't believe in ETH as much as she believes in Bitcoin. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be a bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 20th of September, shall we? The most recent Cardano price analysis shows a sharp drop in value today. After the continuing bearish momentum from yesterday, the ADA USD pair has dropped from $2.57 to $2.43 today, losing 4.5% of its overall value over the last 24 hours. Over the previous 7 days, a drop of 17% was recorded. On Monday, the price gain was broken, and on Tuesday, during both hours, a new low was established. However, yesterday's fall proved to be short-lived, as today's decline has been more severe. ADA bulls successfully took the price to $2.50 throughout the midday yesterday, but ADA met strong resistance at this level as selling pressure heightened. The 4-hour Cardano price chart shows the presence of some bulls, albeit on a minor scale. Bulls are attempting to take control of the market, but market conditions are not conducive to them, and there's an increasing possibility that the final green candlestick will turn red at any moment. With the widening of the Bollinger Bands, there's an increased degree of volatility. The upper band is at $2.78, while the lower band is at $2.29. The average of Bollinger Bands is $2.54. In the bearish zone, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, has a value of 41. The technical indicators chart is in a neutral zone. The moving averages also provide sell signals with 8 indicators on the selling side, 6 on the buying side, and 1 on stand neutral. The majority of the oscillators are neutral, with 9 being the most common number. 2 oscillators are on the selling point and 1 on the buying point. According to the 1-day and 4-hour Cardano price analysis, it may be expected that ADA USD's price will be bearish for the next 24 hours. If the bears continue to lead, the support level of $2.4 will be the next pivot point in determining the future path. Now let's get back to the topic. In a conversation with Yahoo Finance, the financial expert assured that the cryptocurrency world has a bright future ahead of it. Wood disagrees with billionaire investor John Paulson's recent criticism of cryptos, Bitcoin in particular. She believes that BTC will succeed in outrunning gold as a store of value in this digital age. Cathie Wood is only bullish on Bitcoin and discourages any crypto other than Bitcoin, including ADA. A few days ago, Paulson told Bloomberg that cryptocurrencies would eventually become meaningless. In his opinion, it's not worth investing in cryptos, since in the end they might be worthless, regardless of where they're trading today or whether they keep going up or down. Cathie Wood denied John Paulson's words, explaining that cryptocurrencies are more than a store of value or digital gold. In fact, Bitcoin is a new global monetary system that is fully decentralized and not subject to politicians. Wood also speaks about her investments in Coinbase and Robinhood, the leading regulated exchanges in the US. She notes that Robinhood's turn to cryptocurrencies has been very positive for its business model, and while the SEC is trying to tighten oversight, no negative changes alarming investors are expected in the near future. On the other hand, Cathie Wood emphasizes how comfortable it is to invest in Coinbase. In her view, it is a global benchmark for publicly traded cryptocurrency exchanges all across the globe. Cathie Wood doesn't believe cryptocurrencies are in a price bubble. The crypto industry is simply growing as the technology develops, and the ongoing crypto hype is justified enough. She's confident that the current rally will last at least another 10 years. Cathie Wood is not a cyberpunk, nor does she seek to disrupt the current financial system. Rather, she advocates clear regulation, which appears to be fundamental for the global adoption of cryptos. However, she argues that the main problem is disparate regulators' views on cryptocurrencies. Regulators need to come together and agree on exactly what cryptocurrencies are and how to define them. That would be fruitful, especially for the further development of the ecosystem. Trading in cryptocurrency is always a risk due to its volatility, so you must prepare for losses. You also have no guarantees you can effectively convert the crypto asset because it depends on demand and supply. Charges on crypto investments can be higher than with traditional investments. These cryptocurrency companies do not have the same regulations as regulated entities. Streeter said, "Traders should treat the crypto market with caution and invest with money they can lose without worrying. Cryptocurrency is still a highly speculative investment, and there's no guarantee ADA will succeed over the long run. We are in uncharted territory with crypto, and it's anyone's guess whether it will change the world or crash and burn. If you decide to invest in Cardano, be sure you have a high tolerance for risk and are only investing money you can afford to lose. The last thing you want to do is put your life savings behind an investment as high risk as cryptocurrency. Cardano has the potential for extraordinary gains, but it's also an incredibly risky investment. Before you invest in this cryptocurrency, make sure you've done your research and know what you're getting into. Crypto could be a life-changing investment, but it's not right for everyone." But Cathie Wood is also very bullish on ADA because Cathie's ARK Invest is investing in Grayscale, and they own a lot of ADA. ADA is Grayscale's third largest crypto holding. If you decide to invest in Cardano, be sure you have a high tolerance for risk and are only investing money you can afford to lose. The last thing you want to do is put your life savings behind an investment as high risk as cryptocurrency. Cardano has the potential for extraordinary gains, but it's also an incredibly risky investment. Before you invest in this cryptocurrency, make sure you've done your research and know what you're getting into. Crypto could be a life-changing investment, but it's not right for everyone. So why should you buy $1,000 of ADA? At today's current price of $2.36 per ADA, you will need $2,360 to give you 1,000 ADA. And if Cardano reaches that $20 mark in a 5-year period, then you would have $20,400, which is 50 times on your return investment. Now, yes, that may not seem like a lot, but we have to keep in mind that the $20 price prediction is a very conservative one, keeping in mind that Bitcoin is predicted and could very well see $500,000 to $1 million per coin in the next 5 to 10 years. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!